We're in the square foot garden here at the family plot, and it's time to harvest basil. It is a tender annual, and so when the cold weather comes, it's going to die anyway. And it really holds its flavor well when it's dried. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to harvest the basil, and the best way to do it is just cut it right at the ground and get the whole plant. And there's several ways you can dry it. Usually what I do is kind of take out the bad looking foliage or the leaves, and then I just hang it up just like this using a string or a big rubber band, and hang it up in a hot, dry place. At my house, that is a room above our garage. So anywhere that is hot and dry and dark. And it usually this time of year, with the temperatures being what they are, it dries in just probably 4 or 5 days. And at that point, you just get it, and this will all be dried up, and you just start, brushing it off. It'll crumble right off of there. And then you can put it in jars and seal it up and label it and put it in a cool, dry, dark place in your kitchen. So it's real handy to start using all through the winter.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.